today's tutorial, I'm going to do something a little different. I saw this adorable anime spiky eyelash look with mascara. I also saw that you can do this with extensions, but I'm going to try today to do it with mascara. And I was thinking it would be so much fun to do this with you live and see like if I mess this up or if I can pull this off, because maybe I can walk you through any complications or mistakes that I make, and that might help you if you want to achieve this look. I think it looks really cute. I'm going to show you right here what it is I'm talking about. So basically it's just this super cute anime cartoon look with your lashes, and you really only need a few items. So I have mascara, I have primer, I have tweezers, and of course I have my lash curlers. So let's see if I can pull this off. Let's do this together. I'm excited. Let's get going. So the first step is just curling your lashes. So I'm just going to do that really quickly. It's going to be super funny if I mess up my entire makeup look today, but that's okay. I'm willing to do that for you. So the next thing is taking a primer. The one that I have here today is Opening Act. This is from Tarte. I've had this for a while. This is a pretty good one. I like to use primers for my mascara because it really helps to thicken the lash. It conditions the lash, and it also helps so that when you're removing your mascara, it doesn't rip out your lashes. So if you haven't used a primer yet with your mascara, I definitely recommend it. Just gonna put a thin little coat here on these. Now I think with this look, it's important that I move quickly. So I'm gonna do one eye at a time. I'm gonna move right on to mascara. Today's mascara is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is Exagger Eyes. It's a super volume mascara, and I read that you are supposed to select a mascara that is volumizing, so here we go. So what I'm going to do is just do a thin little coat. I'm going to go right into the lash and wiggle that up to the tip. And I'm okay if I get mascara on my makeup or face, that's okay. I'll clean it up afterwards. So what we're supposed to do is do this thin coat from the root, pull it all the way up. Once you have the lashes fully coated, like this, I mean, look at that mascara. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I love it. I'm going to take my tweezers, and from the base, I'm going to put them together and clump them into like little groups. And then going back over, just taking the wand, and just kind of continually adding to each of those little spikes with the tip. And that will help thicken and exaggerate the lash. Am I hiding myself with the mirror? Oops. And then taking my tweezers, and I'm just going to clump. Important that you do the bottom and the top, just so that you get this consistent, cute look. Okay, so there is one eye. Look at that. I have never done my lashes like this before. It is super exaggerated. What do you think? Okay, let me complete the other side. I think what I'll do is, it looks like it's laying down a little bit, so I'll let it dry, and I'm probably gonna curl or press it up with my fingers and just make those really stay up when they're dry. But let's do the other side. I always curl at the base, and then I curl kind of at the midpoint, and then again at the top. So just to show you like a normal application, forget about all of the flakes that are all over my face. I'm gonna let those dry and just flake those off. But look at the normal application of mascara, just with primer and with the mascara, and then the exaggerated cartoon anime look. So it just kind of shows you like, you know, with and without the effect. So let me go ahead and complete this look. I'm gonna go back over and take the tip of that wand and just kind of pull out and extend each one. A pro tip is if you do get any mascara all over your face, just like I have on my eyeshadow, just let it dry. Don't try to wipe that off when it's wet. Once it dries, just use the spoolie, a clean spoolie, and it will flake right off and it won't take any of the makeup underneath. So this is just a spoolie from my brow pencil, and I'm just gonna flake off any little mascara that I got. So I don't necessarily want to go back over that with my eyelash curler because I feel like it might separate or change the shape. So what I'm going to do is just use my finger, and now that they have dried, I'm just going to press that up and just kind of naturally curl my lashes with my finger. Okay, look at that. That is so much fun. Oh my goodness. Would you try this? Would you do this? I think that this is like a really fun, maybe like outing or date night event look. Super fun, cartoonish, playful. I love it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions about these products that I use. Of course, I love all of these products. These are my daily products. So I just wanted to create this fun look for you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it was helpful, give this video a like, and if you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel because we will do fun stuff like this all the time. Thank you so much for your support and your love, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.